not be able to understand. You will not be able to understand the chapter well, or you will not be able to answer the questions. You will not be able to answer the questions, okay? So therefore, read the chapter well. Now, let's come to, I think, the true and false question answers of page number 27. We have already completed. We have already completed the question and comprehension check of page number 27, that is true and false. We have already completed. So let's come to page number 28. Okay, page number 28. Open at page number 28. Now I shall give you the question answers. I shall write down the question answers now, and you will also copy down the answers. So therefore, all of you take your copies also. All of you take your copies, pen, and whatever things are required, please take those. Get ready with all those things, all those materials, your copies, pen, and everything. Okay. So are you ready with all those things, students?
Yes,
If
ma'am.
you are
Yes,
ready,
ma'am.
then I will start. Okay. If you are ready, then I will start giving you the answers. Okay. Can you see my screen? Are you able to see my screen, students?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now comprehension check. Comprehension check. You see page number 28. Refer to page number 28. Open at page number 28, and you see answer the following in a phrase or sentence. This comprehension check. Answer the following in a phrase or sentence. That means you don't have to answer. That means the answer should not be very long. The answers should not be very long. We have to answer the questions very precisely. Okay, very precisely. That means the answers will be very short type of answers. So I will give you the answers now. Now, first question I have already written for you, and the next ones, as we will proceed, I will write and I will give you the answer. So, and you will also write down with me. Why did Tilly's family come to Thailand? I hope all of you can answer this question. Why did Tilly's family
Yes, ma'am.
come to Thailand? So what was the purpose of coming to Thailand? What was the
Tilly's,
occasion?
Tilly's
Celebrate
family
Chris.
came to Thailand to celebrate Christmas.
Very good. This will be the answer. Tilly's family. All of you write down. Tilly's family. Tilly's family, it will be came, because why did is there. Therefore, come will become came, remember. Don't write Tilly's family come to Thailand. That will be a wrong answer. Because in your question, it is given why did. So whenever did is there, that means the question is in past tense. The answer also will be in past tense. Therefore, come will become came. The did will be added to come, and come plus did will become came. So Tilly's family came to Thailand. Have you remembered from where they came? From where did they come to Thailand? What was their actual place of living? What was their actual place of living? This may be a question also. Where did they live? Where did they live? Tilly's that family. Where did they live?
Southeast England.
Have you forgotten? They lived in England. They lived in England. So Tilly's family came to Thailand. So here we don't have to write down that. You just write down Tilly's family came to Thailand to celebrate Christmas. Tilly's family came to Thailand. Are you able to see the answer? This is the answer, students.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So this one is the answer. The Tilly's family came to Thailand to celebrate Christmas. All of you copy down, and as soon as the class will get over, I will ask to give your copies. I will see whether, and in the video also I will see. I may see your copies whether you have copied down or not. Okay, whether you have noted down the answers or not, I will see just now only. Just after giving you the answers. So all of you
Okay,
copy
ma'am.
down the answers. Then question number 2. Question number 2 is there. Question number 2 is given. What were the warning signs that both Tilly and her mother saw? So write down the question, all of you. What were the warning signs? What were the warning signs that both Tilly and her mother saw? Both Tilly and her mother saw. So this is a question. Can you see? What were the warning signs that both Tilly and her mother saw? Are you able to see the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Then the answer will be, what were the warning signs? I hope you have remembered. That means page number 28, second paragraph. If you see second paragraph, I will give you the answer, but you should know that from which paragraph the question is given. So the question
Both
is
of
given from the, yes, both of them saw sea slowly rise and start to form bubble land. So I will give you the answers properly. So from this line, this is the line from where we have to write down the answer. The first line of the second paragraph of page number 28, okay? So let me write down the answers for you. Tilly's mother, you don't have to write a very big answer. Write the answers very shortly and precisely and to the point. Tilly and her mother saw the warning signs Tilly and her mother saw the warning signs as like Tilly and her mother saw the warning signs like slow rise of seawater, and then formation of foam, bubbles, and whirlpools. Tilly and her mother saw the warning signs like slow rise of seawater, formation of foam, bubbles, and whirlpools. So this will be the answer. You don't have to write a very big answer. Write down this much only. Can you see? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are all the words distinct? Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So write down then. This is the answer. Tilly and her mother saw the warning signs like slow rise of seawater, formation of foam and bubbles, and whirlpools. So you have remembered, I hope, these were the signs that they saw, and Tilly got frightened because Tilly knew that the tsunami was going to happen, or the tsunami was going to taking place. So therefore, what were the warning signs that both Tilly and her mother saw? Tilly and her mother saw the warning signs like slow rise of seawater, formation of foam, bubbles, and whirlpools. Just write down the answer in one line only. No need to write down more, because already in the beginning of the questions we have been asked to write down the answers in a phrase or a sentence. So therefore, we don't have to lengthen the answers. Only write the answers precisely. So is it clear to all of you? Have you written, can you learn this answer? Can you learn this answer? Okay,
Yes,
let me
ma'am.
write down the third question. Okay,
Yes,
let me
ma'am.
write down the third question then. Do you think Tilly's mother was alarmed by them? Do you think Tilly's mother was alarmed by them? That means by them, what do you mean by them here? Them means the warning signs, okay? The warning signs. So therefore the answer will be, we will also write down like this answer. You also write down, you may write down the questions also. So Have you made a separate copy for English? Do you have a separate copy for English or not? Or you are
Yes,
writing all
ma'am.
the subjects in
Yes,
one copy?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you made a single copy for all the subjects, or you have made a separate copies for different subjects?
Ma'am, single copies.
Yes, don't write all the, okay, if the school opens or otherwise also I may check your copies in the video, whether you are writing other subjects in my copy or not. Don't write any other subjects in English copy or all the copies, all the subject copies you, that means maintain properly, okay?
Okay,
So do
ma'am.
you think Tilly's mother was alarmed by them? So actually Tilly's mother was not, at the beginning, she was not alarmed, isn't it? At the beginning, she was not alarmed, but when she saw that Tilly got too much frightened, then only she realized that something serious was going to happen. So therefore our answer will be, in the beginning, Tilly's mother could not realize what was going to happen. In the beginning, Tilly's mother could not realize spelling maybe Z or S. So we generally write S. So you can write down R-E-A-L-I-S-E or R-E-A-L-I-Z-E. So in the beginning, Tilly's mother could not realize what was going to happen. But as she saw, Tilly got too much frightened, she felt that something serious is going to happen. Something serious is going to happen. So therefore you write down this answer like this. In the beginning I have, that is spelling has too many G I have written. In the beginning, Tilly's mother could not realize what was going to happen, but as she saw Tilly got too much frightened, she felt that something serious is going to happen. You write down this answer. So at the beginning, by seeing those warning signs, Tilly's mother could not understand anything because she did not have any idea about the tsunami. Tilly's mother did not have any idea about the tsunami because she did not attend the geography class, but Tilly attended the geography class and Tilly had the idea. Therefore, in the beginning, Tilly's mother could not realize, that means could not understand, realize means understand, could not realize what was going to happen. That means she did not understand that what was going to happen, but as she saw Tilly got too much frightened, she felt that something serious is going to happen. So all of you have written the answer. Is the answer clear to all of you? Can you learn this answer or not? Is the
Yes,
answer
ma'am.
clear to all of you? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there, do any one of you have got any confusion? Any confusion in this regard?
No, ma'am.
Regarding this? Okay, so if you don't understand, if you have got any confusion, please ask me, okay? Don't keep mum. Where had the next question? Where had Tilly seen the sea? Where had Tilly seen the sea behaving in the same manner, behaving in the same strange fashion. So the fashion and manner, both the words are same only. Where had Tilly seen the sea behaving in the same strange fashion? So have you remembered where she saw the sea behaving in the same strange fashion she saw now at this, that means at Thailand. But before that, where did she see this? Where she had seen the sea,
The
that means the
geography
tsunami?
teacher.
Geography class. Okay, so she saw this in the geography class. So write down the answer that since the answer is given, starting of the answer had Tilly seen, we have to also answer in the same manner. We have to answer in the same manner. That means it's our, that means while writing the answer, always we have to follow the tense, whatever is given in the question. So in the question it is given in that means past perfect tense. Therefore, we have to also answer in past perfect tense. So Tilly had seen the sea behaving in the same strange fashion in the video shown by the teacher in her geography class. So this will be the answer. Write down the answer very shortly. Tilly had seen the sea behaving in the same strange fashion in the video shown by the teacher in her geography class. So she saw this same type of, that means a strange behavior of the sea. That means behavior which forecast the coming of the tsunami. That video she saw in the geography class that was shown by her geography teacher. So Tilly had seen the sea behaving in the same strange fashion in the video shown by the teacher in her geography class. So can you learn this answer? Do you have any confusion in this answer, students?
No, ma'am.
Is the answer
No,
clear?
ma'am.
Is the answer
No,
clear?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, is the answer
No,
clear to all
ma'am.
of you? Can you learn this?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
learn the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
am giving you the answers very shortly, and the language of the answer is also very easy. So the next question is, where did the Smith family and the others, on the beach go to escape from the tsunami? Escape from the tsunami. Have you remembered where did they go?
They
Where
went
did they
to
go? Have you?
the third floor of the hotel
Yes,
to
went to the
escape.
third floor of the hotel. Yes, very good. Went to the third floor of the hotel. So our answer will be then the Smith family and the others, on the beach, on the beach, it's go, so go will become went, see from the question also we can write down some part of the answer, remember that. We can take the help of the question to write down the answer. Starting part of the answer you see, beginning part of the answer you see, we are just copying down from the question itself. Therefore, so where did if we leave, then the next one, the Smith family and the others on the beach. Now it's given here go. So we don't have to write down go. Instead of go, we shall write down went, because in the beginning of the question you see where did is given. Whenever in the question it is past tense, we have to use the past form of the verb. So therefore, since it's the answer, we don't have to use did. Did will be added to go, and go will become went. Is it clear to all of you? So the Smith
Yes,
family
ma'am.
and the others on the beach went.
Yes, ma'am.
Others on the beach went to the third floor of the hotel. Went to the third floor of the hotel. Third floor of the hotel. Then the next part, to escape from the tsunami. to escape from the tsunami. Okay, to escape from the tsunami. See, the almost all the words we have written from the question itself. Only we have written went. After that, to the third floor of the hotel. Just this is the main part of the answer. This is the main part of the answer, you see. So whenever you learn the answers, follow these things and it will be easier for you to learn. See, where did the Smith family and the others on the beach go to escape from the tsunami? So our answer, the Smith family, we have written this, the Smith family and the others on the beach, then go. Whenever it is go, verb, the word verb will come. At that time, we have to be little bit alert and we have to write down the verb according to the question.
The verb
Since
according
in
to
the
the
question,
question.
since
Since
in
in
the
the
question
question,
you see, deed is given, deed is there, deed. So therefore, since deed is given, go will become went. Go will become went. Is it clear to all of you? So why I am giving you these informations? Because it will be easier for you to learn the answers. So the Smith family and the others on the beach went to, then from here actually the answer starts. Went to, the main part of the answer is went to the third floor of the hotel. So you have to remember only these few words. Only these few words you have to remember. Third floor of the hotel. Went to the third floor of the hotel. And then the next part again, you see it is there in the question, to escape from the tsunami. To escape from the tsunami. So now is it clear to all of you? So this way you can learn the answers very easily. Not only in class 8, in your future life also, whenever you are going to the higher classes, learn the answers like that
the
and,
answers
and you
like
will see
that,
that
and you will see
the
that
learning the
the
answers will
learning
be
the
easier
answers
for
will
you.
be easier for you.
Now our next question,
Now our
question
next
number
question,
6.
question number 6.
Please mute your audience, otherwise my voice will echo. All of you mute your audience for a while. When I will ask you the questions, at that time you unmute. Otherwise my voice will echo. So how do you think her geography, how do you think her geography teacher felt when he heard about what Tilly had done, in Phuket, what Tilly had done in Phuket. So this is our question. How do you think her geography teacher felt when he heard about what Tilly had done in Phuket? So what may be the repercussion if a student does well? What is the feelings of a teacher? What may be the feelings of a teacher? Because due to Tilly's geography knowledge, so many people's life was saved. So many people's lives are saved. So if a student does well, what do you think? His or her teacher will become happy or sad? Happy
Happy.
or sad?
Happy.
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 Whenever a student does well, remember that and take it a point that whenever a student does well, the teacher becomes very happy. The teacher becomes proud also. The teacher becomes proud about her students. So they are about her or his students. Therefore, you see what will be our answer. How do you think her geography teacher felt? So her geography teacher, since this is not given in our that is book, this is not described in our book, so this is our assumption. That means we are guessing what might be his repercussion or what might be his reaction or feelings. So therefore her geography teacher might have, that's why we have written, since it's a possibility or probability, that's why we are writing might have. Okay, her geography teacher might have felt very happy and proud, when he heard about what Tilly had done in Phuket. had done in Phuket as due to her geography or due to her knowledge or due to her knowledge about tsunami, she could save the lives of many people. She could save the lives of many people. So therefore, this will be the question. Her geography teacher might have felt very happy. That means we do not know what actual thing. That means since it is not given in our chapter, so this is our assumption or guess. We are just guessing what might be, what might be his repercussion, because it is given here he, so the teacher is a male person. So her geography teacher might have felt very happy and proud when he heard about what Tilly had done in Phuket, as due to her knowledge about tsunami, she could save the lives of many people. She could save the lives of many people. So her geography teacher might have felt very happy and proud too. Whenever a student does well, a teacher, that means with the parents, teacher also becomes very happy. Okay. So this comprehension check is over for all of you. That is this comprehension check. There are only 6 questions. We have solved all. Now come to page number 30. Come to page number 30. Okay. Page number 30. Page number 30 comprehension check. Write down all of you. The previous one also you can write down the page number. Okay. Previous one also you can write down the page number. So this is page number 30. Write down the page number, then it will be easier for you to search. Because during whenever examination will come, you will not get the answers. I know you have to search the answers like anything. Many of you, not all. At that time, you will say that, ma'am, you have not given us the answers. We are not getting the answers. Where are the answers, ma'am? So that's why I'm telling you that. Write down clearly. Comprehension check here also, write down the page number. What is the page number here? Can you remember? What is the page number of these questions?
Ma'am, 38.
28. 28, I think. 28, 29.
Yes,
Page number 20,
Yes,
28,
ma'am.
29, you write down.
28.
Yes, ma'am.
28, 29. Write down all of you. Page number you write down. Then you don't have to search the answers in whole copy. So you will get it very easily. Okay. So then page number 30, you see answer using a phrase or a sentence. In the same way you have to answer. These answers also will be very small. That is very short answers. We don't have to write down a very big answer. So here you see the first question is, in the tsunami, 1,50,000 people, 1,50,000 people died. So how many people died? 1,50,000 people died. Now the question is given, how many animals died? How many animals died? How many animals died? How many animals died? So how many animals died? Have you remembered? See page number 29. Just refer to page number 29. All of you open page number 29.
Ma'am,
Open at page
only
number 29. Go
only
to
a
the
few in
only
the
a
tsunami.
few. Yes. Okay. Only a, see the that means page part 3, paragraph 3rd. You see 3rd paragraph. Refer to 3rd paragraph. Refer to 3rd paragraph. All of you see the 3rd paragraph. Can you see the 3rd paragraph?
Yes, ma'am.
3rd paragraph, you see, we cannot be sure whether animals have seen, but the fact is that giant whales that rolled through the Indian Ocean killed more than 1,50,000 people in a dozen countries, but not many animals have been reported died. So our answer will be, in the tsunami, In the tsunami, in your book, though the tsunami is written in small, in the tsunami, only a few animals died. Only a few animals died. This will be the answer, very short answer. In the tsunami, only a few animals died. Only a few means very, the number is very, very less. The number is very, very less. Only a few animals died. So all of you have written, only a few animals died. You don't have to write down a too big answer. Answer should be very short and precise. Whatever we are asked, that only we will answer, okay? If the mark allotted is 1, you will get 1. That means the total marks you will be awarded. So the next one is, how many people and animals died in Yala National Park? Question number 2. How many people and animals died in Yala National Park? In Yala National Park. Where is Yala National Park situated, students? Have you remembered? Where is Yala National Park? In which country?
Miss Sri Lanka.
Ma'am,
Sri Lanka. Very good. In Sri Lanka. I have shown you the map also. How many people and animals died in Yala National Park? So the answer is
Ma'am?
given in your book very clearly. Yes, tell me the answer.
60 people
Yes.
and 3 animals.
2 buffaloes. Okay, 2 buffaloes, I think. As what I remember, yes, 2 water buffaloes.
2
Only,
water buffaloes.
sorry, 60
Pupils.
people, those who are visited. 60 people, see, in Yala National Park, there were 60 visitors, or we can write down 60 people. 60 people and 2 water buffaloes. 2 water buffaloes. 2 water buffaloes died in Yala National Park. In Yala National Park. Only this is the answer, okay? In Yala National Park. 60 people and 2 water buffaloes. See, number of, if you find out the ratio and proportion, it is what? 1:30, isn't it? 1:30 or not? The answer is 1:30 or not? See, so in this regard, what we can say, who are the more intelligent ones? Who are the more intelligent ones? See, 60
Animals.
and, yes, if we find out the ratio, if we find out the ratio, see, 60 people is to 2 animals. 60 people is to 2 animals. So if you 60 by 2, if you do, it will become what? 30:1, isn't it? 30:1 or not? 30:1.
Yes, ma'am.
So that means when 30
Yes,
people died, only one, against that only one animal died. So in this regard, we can say that animals are more intelligent than us, because their sensing system is more alert. They are more alert than us regarding these natural calamities. They can get the information before than us. That means they have got the predicting capacity. So the next question is, what do people say about the elephants of Yala National Park? What do people say? What do people say about the elephants? About the elephants of Yala National Park. Of Yala National Park. So what do people say about the elephants of Yala National Park? Have you remembered what did the elephants do? What did the elephants do? What
They
did
are
they
running
do?
on the beach.
Away from the Patanangala beach. They were running away from the Patanangala beach. So our answer will be then we have to answer according to the question. What do people say? People say that since what do is there, so we will write down say. Okay, if it was did, what did people say, then our answer would be people said. Since it's given what do people say, so our answer will be in present tense only. Since it is in present tense, we will write down people say. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
People say about the elephants. People say about the elephants of Yala National Park. Yala National Park, that they were running away from the Patanangala beach. They were running away from the Patanangala Patanangala beach. They were running away from Patanangala beach to escape from the tsunami. To escape from the tsunami, okay? To escape from the tsunami. Tsunami T, if you write down in capital or small, both will be correct, okay? So what do people say about the elephants of Yala National Park? What is our answer, then, students? People say about the elephants of Yala National Park that they were running away from the Patanangala beach. Did I write the Patanangala spelling correctly or not? Please check. Patanangala, Patanangala. Okay, it's correct. So, okay, from the Patanangala beach to escape from the tsunami. So this is the answer of question number 3. Okay, is it clear to all of you? They were running away from the Patanangala beach to escape themselves from the tsunami. Now our next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. What did the dogs in Gale do? What did the dogs in Gale do? Have you remembered what did they do? Did the dog go out for a walk?
They refused to go to the beach for their
Yes.
daily.
Yes, very good. The dogs refused. That means they did not want to go that day. The dogs refused. The dogs refused to go. The dogs refused to go for their daily run on the beach. It's given from your book only. In the book only, the answer is given clearly. The dogs refused to go for their daily run on the beach. Okay? On the beach. So can you see? All of you can see the answer? The dogs refused to go for their daily run on the beach.
Yes, ma'am.
The dogs, if you can't, you will tell me. I will just make it bigger one. The dogs refused to go for their daily run on the beach. So have you written, all of you have written the answer? The dogs refused to go for their daily run on the beach. Okay. Are the answers very big? Can you learn the answers? I have shortened the answers, and
Yes, ma'am.
as far as possible, I have made the answers very short. Okay. I have made the answers very short. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
two more questions. Then there are also, in your working with the text, some more questions are there. So these questions we will discuss in our next class. That means on Thursday you have got class at 6 p.m. So at that time we shall discuss these questions. And also one more thing, in page number 32 you have got sorry, not in page number, yes, page number 32, there are some voice changes. So we shall also discuss that. Okay, we shall also discuss. So students, now tell me that if I give you the answers like this, Is it easier for you to learn, or I shall just send you the question answers? Which one is easier for you? Which is easier for you? If I send you just the question answers, or in this way, if I give you the answers, it is easier for you to learn. Which one is easier?
Ma'am, this way.
If I instantly, if I write and give you, then if you have got any confusion, you can ask me, and I can clear your doubts. I can clear your
Okay.
doubts. That's why I give you the answers like this. And the next day also, I will give you the answers from our working with the text. And also, if possible, we shall discuss the voice changes too. Okay. So I hope
Okay, ma'am.
I hope you have enjoyed the class. I have enjoyed the class with you all. So let's wait for our next class. That is on Thursday, 6 p.m. Okay. Till then, bye students.
Bye, students.
I shall also one more thing.
Bye, ma'am.
I am just sending you the PDF. Okay. I am just sending you the PDF of these answers. Whatever I have written now in front of you, I shall send you now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
I shall send you the
ma'am.
PDF of these answers. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.